Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add Adobe Creative Cloud to the Slack app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Slack app, and here it opens up in the home menu where we have our channels and direct messages. From here we have to go into a channel, then we have to tap on Connect Apps. And then after the page is loaded, we have a list of different kinds of apps that we can add to the workspace. Here, you just have to scroll to the bottom under Brilliant Bots section and tap on Adobe Creative Cloud, like this. And after it has loaded, we have to wait a bit. There's going to be an Add to Slack button. We can just tap this, and then the app is going to be added to our workspace. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.